What's going on, Atlanta, Georgia? That's right, it's your boy Ricky RISEUP coming at you live to crack of dawn in the morning. It's another beautiful day in the world of real estate. So check it out, right? All my peeps that are tuning in right now that want to get educated on some real estate tips today. So all you homeowners out there that are looking to sell your home, check it out. Just got a call from a homeowner. They had their home listed on the MLS 2019. The listing has now become expired. They had the hopes of getting their home sold by year end. Unfortunately, things did not go that way. This happens oftentimes in real estate. Number one reason common for that is maybe the seller did not get their full asking price of what they want for their home. So now the dilemma is, how do we combat that as a seller, right? How do we get around that obstacle? I'm getting ready to share that with you. But before I do, I want you to visit me at my website at riseupgeorgia.com. Go on that website, take a look around. We've laid it all out there for you, and our whole program, it is cookie cutter. And then we can definitely get into a more intellect conversation about our lease to own program. But until then, let's get to it. Okay, so you have a homeowner, their house sits on the MLS for however long, right? The first thing you do is you need to fire your agent, right? Because if you couldn't sell your home within that allotted time, I'm not an agent, so please don't quote me. I believe it's about 90 to 180 days on the MLS. Secondly is, now we have the hopes and fears. What do we get in with another agent or someone else? And my house sits on the market again for another 6 months. It gets tied up. For a homeowner that is really trying to sell their home, that can be very draining and it can be very stressful on a household or a family. So what do you do now? We have a lease to own program that will help you get positive monthly cash flow. That's right, I said positive monthly cash flow, positive monthly cash flow, positive monthly cash flow until we get your home sold. That's right. With our lease purchase program, we lease out your home for a short term, and then we assist our buyer in closing in the process. So you want to get more tips and tidbits on riseupgeorgia.com, feel free to visit. This has been Ricky RISEUP and your RISEUP Real Estate Tip of the Day. I'll holla at you later.